The purchase of a tow bar always requires a wiring kit. It makes sure your bike carrier, trailer, caravan, horse box or boat trailer is provided with electricity for the lights. Brink supplies vehicle-specific wiring kits for practically every type of car, with the choice of 7-pin or 13-pin socket. The 7-pin connection is fine if you only want to attach a bike carrier, trailer, horse box or boat trailer to your tow bar. The 13-pin connection is necessary for connecting a caravan. It features constant power. This application is needed because a caravan requires much more electrical power. Just consider all the caravan accessories such as indoor lighting, fridge and water pump. A 13-pin socket is also equipped with ignition switched power. The application charges the battery of your caravan while driving. Constant power and ignition switched power can't be realized with a 7-pin system. A vehicle-specific wiring kit, of course, has the basic lighting function necessary to supply a bike carrier, trailer, caravan, horse box or boat trailer with power. This ensures the correct functioning of the brake lights, indicators, side lights and fog lights on the object you want to pull or carry. What's more, Brink vehicle-specific wiring kits can also operate functions such as the trailer stability program, fog light disconnection and disable park distance control if installed as a feature on your vehicle. They support check control and C2 control as well. These lighting control systems assure you will receive a visual or audible notification on your dashboard in case of defect to the rear lights, brake lights, indicators or fog lights on your bike carrier, trailer, caravan, horse box or boat trailer. Our vehicle-specific wiring kits have an electronic module built in which makes the most advanced technology alert to the extra weight of the trailer. Our vehicle-specific wiring kits support cruise control, anti-lock braking system and blind spot identification, for example. To support all modern functionalities and advanced techniques, it is becoming increasingly necessary to code the vehicle after installation of a vehicle-specific wiring kit. In professional jargon, this is called activation. Activating may involve additional costs, but it is necessary to hit the road 100% safe with your bike carrier, trailer, caravan, horse box or boat trailer.